She was playing around, she was playing, and she stopped playing, she went to sleep.
Nice picture. What do I call it? Brunch. That's
Wow. She was like tired. She was playing around, she was playing, and she stopped playing, she went to sleep.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're just tuning in for the very first time, my name is Nike. Thank you guys so much for stopping by, and to all my returning subscribers, I had you guys. You guys are amazing. So in this video, I'm just going to be making shawarma the way we make it in Nigeria. And guys, I love shawarma, but it's just it's too stressful to make for me, and my kid loves it. Oh my god, Izzy loves it. Ariel, nah, she doesn't care about it. Like, in fact, me and Izzy can sit down and eat the shawarma and she'll watch us. Like, she doesn't care about it. Like, I don't think she even likes to check the texture. Maybe she has a texture problem in her mouth. Anyway, I've been making it for a while now because I saw the video on YouTube and I was like, man, I need to eat shawarma. I was like, let's go ahead and make shawarma. And I like the fact that you have some vegetables that can be inculcated into it. So you guys should stay tuned and enjoy this vlog. I have so many other things in this vlog. You guys should stay tuned. Please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload a video like this. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I appreciate all the love and the support. Okay, bye guys, stay tuned.
Open up the heavens, come rain down your presence. Jesus, come, inhabit the praise of the sinner and saint. Jesus, come, and Jesus, move.
okay, easy. So how does mommy shawarma taste? It's bite it, let's see. It's good. Shawarma is shawarma. It is giving. Ready for church. You guys can see the dressing pattern has changed because obviously it is fall. So I actually just put on this jacket. I'm gonna take it off as I sit. I'm about to sit on my chair in church. So let me show you guys my full look. You guys see, your girl is ready to go serve. Hey, let me be going to church. Service preaching is about to start. I'm starting to become a chronic late comer, and I woke up 8 o'clock today. It's because now guys, I had to buy the kids, dress the kids, everything. Saturday has gone out, has gone to work, So I just made a conscious decision. I cannot stay home every time because he has to work on Sundays. So that is why you guys see me going by myself. But you guys should rate my outfit. Rate me from head to toe. If they come and take me a picture, I'll take your mommy very nice. Yeah, that's it. Hi guys, so I am back from church. It was crazy because after church, my friend goes to church very close to my house. So after church, we met in my house because I needed to give her something I got for her kids. And then before you know it, guys, we went to IHOP. We're like, let's not even have breakfasts at home. What do I call it? Brunch. Let's not have it at home. Let's just go. That's how we ended up there. I spent almost half of my day there. And now the time is 3:17. I can't even believe it. It looks like the time is still, as in literally 11 a.m. in the morning, to be honest with you. It is fall, guys, so The weather has definitely changed. But as soon as I got home, I did get a package. So I want to unbox that package and do a quick review for you guys to see before I now start figuring out what I want to do, what I want to cook for the kids this week, because I haven't cooked. Oh my god, I don't know what I want to do. But I know definitely I do need some rest, even though I am not working tomorrow. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. This week is a week at home for me, and it feels so good that I'm not going to work. I need this break. But anyhow, guys, the item I got is actually a shoe. So I'm gonna be putting it on with this outfit that I do have. I'm gonna show you guys, and we'll talk about the shoe. Okay, you guys should stay tuned.
Okay guys, so here I just decided to show you guys some items that my mom did get from Nigeria. This is dry fish. Obviously you guys know it's about to go down. And then here we do have stockfish. Oh my god, I'm already imagining all kinds of soup with this stockfish. Edika Kong, afang, egusi, just name it, man. And you guys see everything still looks really good. The vendor my mom got this from is on Instagram. And then here we do have dried catfish as well. I'll go ahead and bring it out so you guys can see how fresh the fish still is looking. The shipping was super fast. Like, that vendor knows her business. She's on the game. Although it felt like the ogbono was not so good, but quite a little manageable. No, it wasn't manageable because I think my mom trashed it. It had this weird taste. You know how ogbono tastes when you recently grind it. So yeah, see, you guys see it formed these lumps and it tasted weird. It was just weird. So my mom had to trash it. And then here we do have egusi. I am ready to make some egusi jebo. And then the crayfish. I think everything wasn't so expensive. I can't remember how much you spent at this time. And then this the crayfish, guys. This crayfish lasted, I'm not going to even lie. And then my mom made ogbono. Do you guys see? The ogbono looked good, but it had a weird taste. Yeah, it looked really, really good. It was so thick. It was a good quality ogbono, but too much heat.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel today. So today is day 2 of me being off from work. Today is a Tuesday, and definitely I am being productive. So yesterday I showed you guys a shipment that we did receive from Nigeria. My mom ordered ogbono, egusi, crayfish, everything now. So today I was just about to make provisions for putting everything in my pantry when I realized that, damn, I need storage space. I don't have storage space. Then aside from needing storage space, guys, look at this. It is a mess. And I remember I've mentioned in one of my videos that I am gonna organize my pantry. So I rushed to Walmart. In fact, when I went to Walmart, I was going to just go buy storage container so I can store stuff. That's how I started buying Christmas things. So, hey God, Jesus. Look, it was a bad idea to take time off this period. But again, I'm excited. You guys know I love Christmas. So I am so looking forward to doing my own decoration for Christmas this year. But guys, let us organize this mess together. You guys see that?
So as expected, I started by looking at the pantry and thinking of what I needed to get rid of and what I wouldn't be getting rid of. But obviously I have to empty the pantry, right, before I start cleaning, because this pantry is like a mess. Not it is like a mess, it is a mess. It needs to be taken care of. I mean, we all have those times where we're just like, oh my gosh, this pantry, I'll fix it. And then you end up not doing anything. But I'm really glad that I had the opportunity to do this. Oh my God. Some things have been in this pantry for a very long time that I don't even know. I'm sure they've even expired. So, see, I'm looking at this. So this one is like, it's not supposed to be here. What is this? Okay, yeah. So, peeled beans. I'm transferring the container, just trying to be more efficient, trying to make use of my space, create more space and all that fun stuff. I am not really one to love things all over the place like that. So you guys see, I created space for my plantain fufu, which makes sense. I mean, once in a while, let's organize, do that thing. Like that Ashake song. Organize. Every other day I organize. Some of us are wise. Alright guys, stay tuned and enjoy this video.
Open up the heavens, come rain down your presence. Jesus, come, inhabit the praise of the sinner and saint. Jesus, come, and Jesus, move. Here and now, we call on you, Lord, come and meet us today. Here and now, have your way. Open up the heavens, come rain down your presence. We know there's more, so much more. Here and now, we call on you, Lord, come and meet us.
Okay guys, so I am done organizing my pantry. As you guys can see, I'm feeling so fulfilled. I feel so proud of myself, to be honest with you guys. Like, check this out. Check it out. The girl actually finally getting so excited. I just have this fulfillment from doing it. Like, it just feels so good. The unnecessary things that were not needed, I had to trash them because, girl, I was just keeping things that are not necessary. But anyhow guys, thanks so much for staying with me. See you guys tomorrow Wednesday. We eat and then we go for karate. I have been using